shares. It's Mike with Ripper Die Trading. Trading AMD, like always, for the open of the bell. I've had people ask me if that's all I trade, and for the most part, at the opening bell, that's all I'm looking at. I'm trying to get good at the one stock. I trade others here and there. I do options, but for the most part, that's what I'm doing. I've got a penny stock account. I got a smaller account that I do just pretty much anything in, just lower shares when I'm testing out new stocks so that I don't lose my ass. But AMD has a unique amount of volume and usually a pretty good range, so it moves usually $1 or more a day, and it moves all day long, mostly in the first hour or two though, so slows down after that, but it keeps moving. So I like the range and liquidity, and it also trades with a spread of a penny, so that means when I get in, I'm not down automatically, only down 1 penny when I get in. Not some of them are 6 or 10 cents, so I'd be getting in down $100 if I had 10-cent spreads. So that's why I like this one. Netflix is sometimes 15 cents, so that's why I don't like to trade that. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. The first 2 minutes I don't like to do a whole lot. This 2740 area acting as support right now. Got an area of resistance right here. Bounce right off of it for the time being. Look around, see what's going on. NVIDIA is doing about the exact same thing. SPY's trying to work its way up. See, pretty decent volume, 1.5 million shares the first candle. It's really close to taking this at 2750. But I don't, it's not really doing a whole lot right now. Got 500,000 in volume so far. Short. Let's go down there and get through 40 real quick. Is 40 gonna hold it up again? So far so good on that. That sucks. Now we need 50 to hold it down. SPY's starting to turn, so we can hopefully get past 40 real quick. We need to break 2740 to get some good action here. No, not looking good at the moment. Come on now. Jesus. I can't pick a winner this week. Come on, 27.50. Hold it down. Well, there we go. Just like that. My gut said to sell down there at 27.40, at least half of it, and I didn't do it. My problem is every trade I've been in just about's been green, but I haven't gotten to the 10-cent first target. It keeps stopping right before it. We're short again. Let's see what happens here. We want to hold this 60. God damn it, man. That was quick. Well, we gotta hang out and be smart on our. See if we can get a good one. I thought that was a good spot. Now we're going to be looking for a pullback to about the 60 area for maybe a buy. I'd really like to see about to the 50, like a little washout to 50 real quick. That would be great. All right, it's time to go. Well, about to be 3 strikes and I'm out. This thing was upgraded to $35. You would think that it would be on a little bit of a tear today. So me shorting twice was probably not the best idea. Let's get through 70 and rip. Push through. Get some volume. Eat it up. Here we go again. Getting right before my target and turning around and taking me out. Push through 27.70 now. Show some fucking balls. It's going to go all the way back to 27.50 now. Watch it. Hold it up, 60. There we go. That jumped through 65 quick. We got some buying now, hopefully. Some volume coming in. Push us through. Eat it up. There's a bunch of people there, I know. trying to test me. See if it wants me to sell before I get out, and then it's going to rip. Nope, now it's dead. Motherfucker. How can it... I'm speechless how it could do this every freaking time. Come down. Take me out at 58 on the dots where it took me out. And look at it go now. Is that what it sold me at? Yeah, 27.58. Granted, maybe my stop was a little bit too... Problem is, I put a 5-cent stop in. I got filled at 63. I thought I was filled at 60. I wasn't paying enough attention, but no matters. It's gonna. And that's why I didn't get to the 10-cent target, because I didn't get filled where I was trying to get filled. But oh man, what did I tell you? It's about to come back down to 27.50. There we are. I'm breaking my rules and getting in one more time. I'm at 54. That's a shitty. Fill. All right. Why isn't it selling for me? God damn it. I'm hitting the wrong button, that's why. Well, I might have just got lucky and when I tried to sell, it didn't let me out. Now it's coming back up. I have to get lucky apparently to... No. It's gonna come get me anyways. There we go. One of the worst days of trading in a while. And that's why you don't break your rules. Okay. Reflection time. Let's see what went wrong big time. We shorted for the right here, which we didn't do it in time, so we didn't get our full. I don't remember where we got filled at, but it was somewhere in the 47-ish range, so we didn't get enough to get out here with a profit. Then we shorted again at this 60. She got us. Then we bought here and it took us out. And then we just went long on 50 and it took us out. So hindsight, you know, we don't like the first two candles. That wasn't a terrible buy. It didn't break through. That's probably on me for sure. Well, it's always on me, but it didn't break this in pre-market. I should have at least got dumped half my shares here. I was thinking about it, but I didn't. A little bit of greed. and then we got past this, and I shorted again at this area here, which it blew past and took me out quickly. That wasn't the smartest short for sure. And then I purchased as it came down to 20.50 or 27.50, which, you know, a lot of times on those $0.50 it bounces quickly. We didn't get any bounce at all, it just went right through it. So I'd say the first one wasn't bad. It just should have been, I should have taken quick profits or not done it, because it was a resistance was real quick, or support was right there. Second time around, it was on a run up, and there was no major line of support, so I should have, I mean, it bounced off at once here, so I was looking for it to bounce off again. It just blew right through. And you know, you can look at this line and say, well, I should have shorted there. Oh, it's the same thing right here. This didn't work. So trying to guess the top when it's, you know, if it had hit this what is that? I don't know why that's a big ass line. That's supposed to be. Higher up, there we go. Anyhow, here it is bouncing off 40 again. 50 holding it down possibly, but I'm gonna get out of here because before I blow up my damn account guessing back and forth. I think part of my problem is trying to jump in and get it done too quickly in the morning. Had I waited, looking at this right here, you know, it got through, came back, got through, tested it. So I would have, this, for me and my plan, this would have been a perfect short at 50. Now, the only bad part is you've got this 40 right here. It's got a breakthrough, and there it goes. So if I'd have been a little patient and waited for the perfect time or a better time, it just seems like I'm guessing more when I'm jumping into so early. See? Perfect timing and the best move we've gotten so far. So I'm gonna get off here and look at this for a while and try to figure out how to get myself to wait a little longer for a better entry. Talk to you guys tomorrow.